Hi Suma, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side. Before starting that, congratulations for your placement, Suma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Suma, can you say about yourself and about your native?
Myself, Suma Rampur. I am from Bijapur. I have completed my bachelor degree in civil engineering in BLDE College, Bijapur, and also have completed interior design management course in CMTI.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how you got to know about CMTI?
From my friend, ma'am. One of my friend did a course here, so from her I get to know it.
Okay, I think like Alumni Connect.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, like what you have learned in CMTI, which course you have adopted?
I took interior design management course. In that, I have learned softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp, and also we learned Cutlist.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how was the trainer's support towards you? How they guided you out?
Nice, mom. Actually, they are very friendly.
How was your software sessions? How it conducted?
Good, mom.
Okay, that's nice. Like, what are the sites you have attended and the interior visits? What you have completed?
We have visited some sites, Homeland Design Cafe and VK Designs, True
Okay,
Interiors.
yeah, that's nice. Like, how was your placement procedure?
That's also nice, ma'am. Shweta ma'am responds correctly and guides us in a good way. And what are the opportunities are like there and companies about the companies. Totally, it's good, ma'am.
Okay, like, to which role you have selected for?
Cutlist, ma'am. Cutlist engineer.
Yeah. Like, finally, what you want to say to your friends and junior about CMTI?
It's a good platform to gain a few opportunities.
Okay, that's nice. Like, I think you are happy with your placements.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, congratulations, Suma, for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future.
Thank you.